Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chicken and gnocchi soup. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay guys, so first we're going to begin by seasoning our 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. Here I already cut it into small pieces. And we're just going to season with 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. So sprinkle it all over the chicken. And just mix it. And just make sure that the chicken gets nice and coated with the seasonings. Okay, and once ready, we can take it to the stove. On our Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add all of our chicken. And we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from the pot. To our pot, we're going to add another tablespoon of oil, our 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to allow the butter to melt. Okay, and once the butter melts, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Now we're going to add our onion, celery, and carrots. Going to mix it and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. Okay, and after 7 minutes, we're going to add our 2 minced garlic cloves. Mix it and allow it to cook for 30 seconds. Okay, and once you smell the garlic, we're going to add our 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it in. Allow this to cook for a minute. Now we're going to add our 4 cups of chicken broth. Make sure that you're mixing it. So add it slow. Mix it and just add the rest. Just make sure that everything is well mixed and there's no lumps of the flour. Okay, so now we're going to add our 3 cups of heavy cream. Just make sure that you're mixing. Here I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon, half a teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So just mix it all together and allow this to thicken up. Okay, so after 6 minutes, our broth should be coming to a simmer. Here it should have begun to thicken up, and this is your perfect opportunity to taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we can get ready to add our gnocchi. And make sure that you separate them before you add them in. We're going to return the chicken. Mix it. Okay, now we're going to add our spinach. Now just mix it all together and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. Alrighty, and after 5 minutes, we can get ready to serve our delicious soup. Okay, so grab your bowl and serve. Alrighty guys, and once we get ready to serve, I'm just going to top it with some Parmesan cheese and some fresh parsley. And just like that, enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so comforting, perfect for this time of year. So I am so ready. I like to get my garlic bread and just dip it in there. I am so ready. Of course it's hot, but you want to enjoy it when it's hot. So cheers and enjoy. My favorite part. So rich, so flavorful. Seriously, better than Olive Garden, let me tell you. So good. And everybody loves it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make this super easy and delicious chicken and gnocchi soup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.